Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Ypsilanti, Michigan at Rolling Hills Water Park. Let's get into the video. Rolling Hills Water Park is a great little community water park in southeast Michigan. It's great for family events. It's really inexpensive just to bring everybody out. It's only $12 a ticket to get in. Parking is $6. So fill the car with a bunch of people and you can get a family of 4 here for about 50 bucks, which isn't bad nowadays if you're looking for something to do and you have a big family. Oh, there's a family throwing a party over here, a birthday party. You got Kona Ice Truck located right outside the gate. Right, a bit of a line. It gets kind of busy on the weekends here, but it's definitely worth coming out. A lot of other water parks in this area are way more expensive. But I do want to show you guys some other water parks this summer before the season ends. All right, we just walked into the park. First things first, we got to find the spot to put our stuff down. Now the shaded areas here is prime real estate. I don't know if we got here early enough to actually get in the shaded area. I don't really suntan, so I always try to get in the shade a little bit, but I probably can't really. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to be walking around and in the water anyway, so. But yeah, this hill over here is usually where people will be. And then there's another area over there. Okay, I ended up grabbing a spot all the way up against the fence line. Yeah, that just shows you how much I want to be out of the sun. And also, it's a flaming hot Cheetos sort of day. Okay, so for that $12 admission price, you get so much included in this water park. There are water slides. Look at this bad boy. We've got a lazy river over here. The lazy river here is awesome. It's really, really long. You can float forever. Splash pad. This is a really big splash pad area. I go to Orlando a couple times a year, and there's a lot of splash pads out in Orlando, and this is a huge one. Okay. It's a little jungle gym area for the kids. Oh, here we go, and now we finally made it to the wave pool. Look at that. This wave pool is a blast, but just make sure that you can swim really well. Especially when you get deeper in there. So you do not want to get stuck out there. There are plenty of lifeguards on duty though. So you don't have to be too worried about it. But waves can get a little bit treacherous. A little mushroom will soak you. This is the relaxation pool. There's another water slide over here on this side. So we're in the water park, but on the outside of here is just a park, Rolling Hills Park, and there's plenty of space out there. So you can always come here without having to pay. I mean, you probably still have to pay to park, but you don't have to pay to get in the water park, and you can still chill. And we have made it to the picnic table area and the concessions. I'm starting to get hungry, so I intend on getting something. They've got hamburgers, chicken sandwich, veggie burger, hot dog, corn dog, Caesar salad, chicken Caesar salad. The most expensive thing is really the double burger for $8. So I did decide to go with the classic hot dog, and for those of you who are wondering, they have all beef hot dogs. Yes, all beef hot dogs for $3 even, no tax included. They do have a ton of condiments to choose from. I put relish on it, onion, jalapeno, ketchup, mustard. They have mayo too, but I did not put mayo on my all beef hot dog. This really is a beautiful park. They keep it up very well. The Washtenaw County Police have been wandering around ever since I got here, so if safety is a concern, they will always be around. Your restrooms are located at the entrance, and also so are your lockers. Lockers cost 50 cents. The first aid office is also located at the entrance. They've got single and double tubes. Oh, here we go. All tubes are free. Got some waterfalls. All right, everyone, I think that's going to be it for this video. But if there's some place in Michigan that you would like me to show or highlight, please let me know in the comments. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. You can also go there and let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.